What's up everybody, it's your boy here, Joshua C, and how are you guys doing? Today I'm gonna unbox yet another laptop, which is the latest ASUS ExpertBook B9. And for your information, this is claimed to be the lightest 14-inch business laptop. So let's check it out. So the one we're having here is the i7 Star Black color version, which has a simple yet detailed matte finish, which you'll find some sparkles when you look closely or shine some light onto it. And don't get fooled by the 995 gram of lightweight body frame on the ASUS ExpertBook B9 as fragile, because it is built on a magnesium alloy body and rated with the military grade durability that passes through all the extreme drop, shock and temperature tests. And to be more shockproof, ASUS has also added 4 anti-shock rubber dampers on the motherboard to absorb shock in case it falls off from your clumsy hands. Now opening up, you have the 14-inch anti-glare coated 2400 1080p Full HD IPS LCD display with 4mm thin bezels and up to 300 nits of brightness level. The webcam is still situated at the thin bezels above the screen with an added physical privacy shutter, so you can flip it to cover your webcam to prevent people from spying on you. And so for the webcam, this is how the webcam looks like and sounds like. So using this webcam for video conferencing, video meetings is quite good because you can hear me clearly, and also there's a privacy strap for you to block your camera while preventing any spying activity, and you can slide it open when you want to turn it on. So that's it. Furthermore, if you notice it when you open it up, it gives you that ergo lift hinge that allows better air ventilation and also a more comfortable typing experience. And if you're having some group discussions, you can always tilt the display 180 degrees down to let your colleagues or friends to watch it together. Now speaking about typing on this laptop, it has a LED backlit keyboard that has great responsiveness that is not too small or too soft to type on. And most of the time we will place a cup of water or coffee beside our laptop and chances of accidental spills are high. So ASUS did give a thought about it, and the keyboard is actually spill resistant that can coat up to 66cc of liquids without harm. As for the white touchpad, it's pretty neat as it comes with the LED illuminated number pad for you to enter your data or do calculation easily with it. Other than that, it also has the fingerprint sensor beside the touchpad for your logins. And because this laptop is meant for business user and most of the business data and business works are confidential, that is why this laptop has additional security layers such as TPM, ASUS Business Manager, Kensington lock slot, USB port control, fingerprint, and also IR camera for your face unlock. Other than that, it also has 2 USB Type-C, 1 HDMI, micro HDMI, 1 USB 3.1 and an audio jack. And in the box, it already has an RJ45 cable for the LAN chip. So socket wise, you're probably well equipped. Now under the hood, it comes in with the 10th Gen Intel Core i7-1051O CPU with an Integrated Intel UHD Graphics 620 coupled with a 16GB of RAM and 2TB of M.2 SSD that is expandable up to 4TB of SSD storage. So for business users, it's really smooth and nice on all your presentations and working files, but not recommended for those who are in creative lines and for those who needs to run on heavy graphics. Since this laptop is focusing on the go working habits, battery life is an important measure, and yet it did not let us down because it comes with up to 66 Wh battery that ASUS claim to last up to 24 hours of battery life and can charge up from 0 to 60% in just 39 minutes. Oh, almost forgot. Lastly, there's this special feature where you can link your Android phones or your iPhones to the ASUS ExpertBook B9, instantly transferring your file without using any cables, and even call out through the laptop by just using the link to my ASUS. So how does it work? Let me show you. Besides, the sound quality of this laptop is seriously stunning with 4 omnidirectional far-field microphones that capture your video conference voice clearly, and also Harman Kardon certified speakers. Listen to it for yourself. So overall, this is a pretty sleek and elegant lightweight business laptop to travel along, especially for your business work. The only design flaw I've noticed is the power button that's situated beside the delete button on the keyboard, which I often mistyped and shut down my laptop while I was typing on my works. So that's all for today. I'm Joshua C. See you next time.